I've made over $8,000 this month as a 16-year-old entrepreneur while still in school. And I'm going to show you why building your brand is the best thing you can do for your business. So let's get straight into it. Building your brand and online presence is the strongest and most effective way to grow your business in 2025 and beyond. And this is what all your competitors are doing. So today, I'm going to break down everything you need to know in order to start branding yourself like an authority so you can close more deals with new clients who already know, like, and trust you. So if you run paid ads, organic content is immediately going to make your paid ads more profitable. If you post organic content, paid ads immediately make your organic content more profitable. And this is what I like to call content acquisition flywheels. And this is where you take advantage of paid and organic video content in order to close new clients consistently and predictably. Now, by the way, for all you that have like a limited mindset or like a limiting belief, stop worrying about views and shit. Just like stop worrying about all shit like this, amount of subs you have, and amount of impressions you get when you start a YouTube channel. If you make valuable content, your channel's going to grow either way. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to be covering content creation and personal branding for your school community. Now, if you got to go now, I leave the video. And if you don't want to post content, get off this video right now. I do not want you on this video. Now, here's why content creation and personal branding is the best opportunity. Content creation and personal branding is the forefront of the most successful entrepreneurs alive. And if you don't believe this, then ask me why people like Alex Hormozi invest over $3 million per year into YouTube videos, or Ray Dalio warn us when we're in influencer market. Now, if organic content isn't the highest form of leverage, which any entrepreneur could possibly take advantage of right now, then why have some college institutions started a decentralized education by posting videos for online schooling? And if YouTube alone is not capable of replacing your entire sales and marketing team, then why is it the second last search engine in the entire world, like housing billions of daily views, generating over 31.5 billion in global advertising revenue? Hey, content is here to stay, but everything else is going to go. And what I mean by this is everybody's aware of the capabilities of AI and how it's going to move towards a biological quantum computing every single day. Most are in panic, or at least confused on what's to come in the near future because of these rapid technological advancements. Now, if your job won't be taken by AI, then your job will be taken by someone selling AI. Now, how does this apply to you posting content online? Now, as a business owner, your job is to do one thing. That is to make money. You make money by offering a product to a marketplace, and that's called marketing. Marketing is at its most basic level, getting more people to know about your stuff. Now, if you can post valuable, organic content across multiple social media platforms for free, and in return generate thousands, even tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions, sometimes billions of views, then isn't that marketing at its highest level? And by definition, exactly. So people who say that they don't have enough time to post content, well, they're basically saying, I don't have enough time to acquire new clients or customers. Just think of how stupid that is. If you're a business owner and you want to make money, the only way you're making money is by acquiring new clients. And if you say to yourself, I don't have time to acquire new clients, then are you really running a business? Is business really meant for you? Hey, just consider that thought. Now, let's get on with it. So content creation will attract strangers online and it's going to convert them into paying clients or customers on autopilot. Now, keep in mind, this often happens while you sleep. And if you had a million people that know you, liked you, and trust you, and supported you already, how difficult would it be to make some money selling something? It wouldn't be, right? Let's break all this stuff down. So there are only 4 ways in business to acquire new clients or customers, and that's either with cold outreach, paid advertising, referrals, or organic content. Now, each channel is effective, profitable, long-lasting, and great. But we need to understand the difference between direct response marketing and organic marketing before we truly realize how powerful it is to post content online as a business owner. So let's go over some examples of direct response marketing. This can either be cold calls, paid ads, cold DMs, and emails, where you basically go to the market. before the market comes to you, and then you request potential buyers to invest in what you're offering. In simple terms, direct response marketing is basically you asking people to buy your stuff. Examples of organic marketing can be YouTube videos, Instagram videos, referrals, speaking events, where you basically tell the market what you do without asking for anything in return, and then potential buyers ask you if they can invest in what you're doing. In simple terms, organic marketing is people asking you to buy your stuff. That is way easier to attract higher quality leads that are ready to buy and successful clients with organic marketing when compared to direct response marketing because of the way the sale is positioned. Instead of having to seem all desperate and asking people to buy your stuff, people are going to go out of their own way and ask you to buy your stuff before you even meet them for the first time. It completely changes the way you do business now, so you're never going to have to worry about making money or closing sales ever again. This is why branding and organic content is so important, even if you want a business. So how do you actually get started or grow an existing brand? So to start your brand, you need to have a clear understanding of what you will pair to your brand in order to attract your ideal customer, or understanding what you will not pair in your brand to avoid losing ideal customers. So this clear understanding is going to help you establish positive and negative outcomes associated with your business and brand. This is because products, values, experiences, and people on their own are not a brand. But when you combine enough relatable products, values, experience, and people into one group, you start to formulate and build an actual brand. And that assembly is the connection or association between those things, because brands fundamentally do not exist. Brands are simply the association that we make between those products, values, experiences, and people that create unique one-of-one brand. Now, you not only have to provide value to a specific audience by creating videos that they want or to watch already, but you also have to do it in such a way where you stand out as a one-of-one brand, or like Alex Hormozi says, a one of zero. That means there is nobody else in the market, never mind just on YouTube, that is just like you. Just like in business, the people that have the most valuable and unique mechanisms make the most money. So adding unique mechanisms into your video in order to differentiate and sophisticate yourself against competitors is the one piece of leverage that will inevitably skyrocket your growth. So in order to create and come up with new and unique mechanisms for your YouTube videos, you need to implement the Blue Ocean Analysis method. Now the whole point of this exercise is for you to identify what your competitors are all doing so that you can position yourself or put yourself in a position where you're tapping into an untapped segment of the market which your competitors aren't reaching, while also providing solutions to the market's unmet problems, demands that your customers are tending to themselves or not tending to themselves. Now, once you find out what your unique mechanism is and untapped markets the blue oceans are, double down on them and go viral. Now, if you consistently provide differentiated and sophisticated levels of value to a specific audience, then back up all your information and claims with proof and being exactly who you say you are. Well, lastly, giving away everything for free and not charging money for a bit of knowledge. It becomes unreasonable for you not to get views, subscribers, and close deals on YouTube. Now, all it takes is 2 or 3 amazing YouTube videos to change the direction of your whole life forever. So the first thing is for you to be authentically yourself at all times. Your video should reflect your personality. You need to be likable, credible, and relatable when it comes to making YouTube videos. Likable as in like a really good friend. Credible as in, you know, you're a successful entrepreneur or someone who's been successful about what they're teaching. And relatable as in you're similar to the people who watch your videos. Now, a video that is edited will get you more success than a not edited video. So you can maybe add B-rolls, cuts into your videos to improve the performance and remove areas where you're slow in order to speed up the video. This is for short form content, and as well as adding music where music makes sense. This is short form content. Now, for long form content, basically improving your thumbnail quality, it's drastically going to increase the channel performance. Now, all you need to do to improve your channel's performance is improve CTR and retention watch time. Now let's go over content creation flywheel for consistency. So the first one is to consume. So consume life to the fullest. Read books, search the internet, meet new people, learn information, fix your health, your relationships, your financial situation, your mindset. And then curate the best of the lessons, stories, failures, changes, and wins you've experienced in your own life authentically. And then finally, create valuable and compressed content for the world. Share the valuable information and lessons that you have experienced so that others can learn and grow because of you. Now, doing this means you're a student, philosopher, and a teacher at all times. So let's unravel the power of posting educational only content. If you post YouTube videos with the intention of driving more sales and closing more deals, then you need to stop entertaining your viewers' time and just educate them. Because educational content provides value and it can change the behavior of your viewers. Because if you can change the behavior of your viewers and benefit their personal lives by doing so, then they are more likely to give you money. So the importance of giving your audience only what they want. Lots of content creators or entrepreneurs make the mistake of posting content that they want, rather than posting what their avatar wants to see. It's just like selling a product. The market is the ultimate judge, and the market or audience in this case does not give an absolute shit about what they want or about other than what they want, right? So give your audience exactly what they want in a YouTube video, and you will go faster. Now, you are required to stay 100% focused on your ideal viewer. Now, if you target real estate agents, then all your content should be targeted towards real estate agents. If you target agency owners, all your content should be targeted towards agency owners. Your ideal viewers will enjoy your videos much more if it's way more focused and curated around their goals. Don't make fitness content if you're posting videos on how to close more real estate agents. So don't make real estate content if you're posting videos to try and close more real estate agents. Right? So how to post more long-form content. Long-form content attracts higher quality prospects and actually converts viewers into clients. Short-form content is great for exposure and capturing attention, but what long-form does is it converts attention into sales. And as Alex Hormozi says, people who watch longs watch more longs, and people who watch shorts watch more shorts. So prioritize what's exactly going to make you more money, which is long-form content, and post that every single day. If you want access to this entire doc and actually learn how to implement this into your school community completely free of cost, I have a free school community which is exactly that. So join the community with the first link in the description and get access to all of this completely for free.